If you bought a domain from Hostinger and want to use it with Infinityfree hosting, this video will walk you through the steps. I'll also show you what to do if name service doesn't work right away. So firstly, go ahead into the Infinityfree and add your domain. So you just log in into your Infinityfree dashboard, go to accounts and open a hosting account. Click Add on Domains and enter your domain name and submit. Infinityfree will now show you the name service you need to use. Then you copy the Infinityfree name service, and usually they will look something like this, as shown in this example. Copy these, you'll need them in Hostinger. And then you just change name service in Hostinger. You log into your hPanel, go to Domains, select your domain, open DNS/name service, choose change name service, and then replace Hostinger's default once with Infinityfree's and save the changes. And also understand that DNS changes are not instant. It can take anywhere from a few minutes to up to 24 hours for your domain to fully connect. And after propagation, open your domain in a browser. If you see your Infinityfree site or default page, the connection worked. And if Hostinger doesn't accept Infinityfree name service, use Cloudflare as a middle step. Add your domain to Cloudflare, change name service in Hostinger to Cloudflare's. In the DNS, point your domain to Infinityfree using records. And this is how you connect a Hostinger domain to Infinityfree. If this helped, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.